While you are sitting here watching this video, breathing, and planning your tomorrow, an invisible monster is screaming toward us from the deep, frozen abyss of space. We have been taught to look at the night sky as a place of eternal peace, a silent gallery of distant lanterns that have burned for billions of years. We feel safe on our small, blue marble, cocooned by our atmosphere, convinced that our Milky Way is a permanent fortress. But the reality of the cosmos is far more violent, far more clinical, and far more terrifying than we dare to imagine. Right now, 2.5 million light-years away, our closest neighbor is not just a neighbor. It is a predator, the Andromeda Galaxy. A massive, swirling empire of 1 trillion stars is currently on a direct, unavoidable collision course with our home. It is traveling at a staggering 110 kilometers every single second. It is not moving away like most of the universe. It is hunting us down. Andromeda does not care about human history. It does not care about the empires we've built or the gods we worshipped. It is a cold, gravitational machine driven by laws that have no mercy. In 4 billion years, the sky as we know it will be torn apart. The Milky Way will be executed. Our home will be erased. Today, we go beyond the telescopes and the pretty pictures. We look into the abyss to witness the slow-motion car crash of 2 galaxies. We look at the death warrant of our own home. Prepare yourself. This is the end of everything we know. Welcome to Cosmos Protocol. If the universe is expanding, if everything is supposed to be moving away from everything else, then why is Andromeda coming for us? Why is our neighbor breaking the rules of cosmic expansion? The answer lies in the brutal, inescapable grip of gravity. Despite the expansion of space, the Milky Way and Andromeda are part of what astronomers call the local group. We are bound together in a dark, gravitational embrace. Think of it as a lethal waltz. 2 giants, tethered by an invisible rope made of dark matter and sheer mass, spinning toward each other in a dance that can only end in destruction. For billions of years, these 2 galaxies have been pulling at one another. This isn't just a random event. It is a mathematical certainty written into the fabric of space-time. As they draw closer, their mutual gravity accelerates them. They aren't just drifting. They are falling into each other. Scientists call this a merger. But for the inhabitants of these galaxies, it is a catastrophic reorganization of reality. Andromeda is twice the size of our Milky Way. It holds twice as many stars. When it arrives, it won't just hit us, it will consume us. It is a gravitational predator that has already swallowed smaller galaxies in its past, and we are simply the next meal on its cosmic menu. The physics are simple. The outcome is absolute. The countdown has already begun, and there's no force in the universe that can stop it. Imagine the humans of the future. 2 billion years from now, our descendants, if they still exist, will look up and see a nightmare unfolding in the heavens. The night sky will no longer be a collection of distant pinpricks of light. Instead, Andromeda will have grown into a massive, glowing disk, stretching from one horizon to the other. It will be brighter than the full moon, a second Milky Way that is so close you can see the dust lanes and the individual star clusters with the naked eye. It will be the most beautiful sight in human history and the most terrifying omen of our extinction. As the galaxies reach their final approach, The sky will literally begin to fall. The tidal forces of Andromeda's 1 trillion stars will begin to warp the very shape of our Milky Way. The spiral arms, the beautiful structures we call home, will begin to twist and stretch like melting wax. Stars will be flung out of their orbits like sparks from a dying fire. Every night will be filled with the glow of 1 billion encroaching suns. The solar system will be caught in a gravitational storm that will dwarf anything we have ever experienced.